Says Bugs Whitewater Rapids. Feel like I'm at medieval times. Hey, here it is. Log. No bar or anything, and it's a wide seat. You can probably fit another small person beside you. Plenty of room. By the way, this does not stop. It's kind of an omni-mover situation, just so you know. You're prepared for it. There floods down in here, probably because I'm a big guy. I hope I sink in the boat. That would be embarrassing. Y'all know we're going to go down that extra fast if it's not controlled. So if you're a big guy, I recommend sitting in the middle because it's going to help balance everything a little bit better. Remain seated. Oh, we got a little water coming down here. Oh, thanks, Bugs. Oh, I guess I didn't realize this was that long. Oh, look at that. Whoa! I thought this was like one little drop. Okay. But I also thought that about Splash Mountain, and that was like a very long ride. Get him, Bugs! Does Yosemite Sam's dragon have a name? Well, I see how it is. Just because I don't know your name. Oh, I'm soaked now. Okay, that definitely came over the sides. Ah! Oh, look how high the Joker is going. I wonder if Superman is the highest ride in the park. Okay. There is nothing holding you in, by the way. I mean, technically, I guess there's not anything. There's just less space when you were on Splash. Ah! Actually, I didn't get that wet. That was fun. I am just enough wet. I'm probably about to find, like, there's another thing that's going to squirt me. Oh, a little cold water. They go again. It's awesome. I'm going to put my phone away for this one. These pointless things is here. Tight.